How's it going, guys? I'm Soul Survivor 610 coming back at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Pantone 11s. Okay guys, so these shoes have been in my collection for a little while, kind of just hiding in the back. They're a very sought after pair, but I just haven't really found the right time to wear them or photograph them, but I figured why not make a video of them. So the box is, as you can see, a little unorthodox because this pair came in a pack. So on the bottom, you had the Pantone 11s, then on the top you had, I think it was the 29s. Or the 30s. I think it might have been the 29s. The like Pantone colorway of the 29s was on the top. I think this was around like Christmas time. Yes, I was spoiled as a child at Christmas. And I only wanted the one pair, so I just got the one pair. So that's why the box looks a little bit weird. So I will take off the divider that comes with it. And I'll just show you a little bit of the box. Kind of just, you have like elephant print in there, if you can see. Not really anything special. These are a size 10.5 and they came from, I think, Stadium Goods. The tag's on them in here. I'll show you when I get to them. But yeah, so these are the shoes. Just ridiculous colorway. Ooh, what is that? That is not from the shoes. Kind of was a little bit scared right there. I don't know if you saw the string that was just there. All right, let's get into the shoes. And let me check to see where these are from. They still have the tag because yes, they are dead stock, and Stadium Goods right there. Overcharging the hell out of people on these. I'm pretty sure these were like $450 out of the store, maybe $500. They've gone up now, but back then I don't know if they were ever that much. Initial impressions, this shoe is obviously going to sell out. This shoe is obviously going to be a grail. It is North Carolina colorways on a Retro 11 high. One of the most iconic colorways of Jordan on one of the most iconic silhouettes Jordan has ever produced. This shoe is just destined to win, if that makes sense. In terms for me, I really like this shoe. I've had them for so long that I haven't forgot about them, but they're just not in like my top 5, my top 10, anything like that. But I think they're very clean. I would say this is probably one of the only pairs of Jordans that I actually kind of prefer with the icy blue sole. Everybody knows I hate icy blue soles on Jordans. I much prefer just normal translucent soles because as they age, icy blue soles just turn like piss yellow. And normal translucent soles give this nice like amber honey yellow, and I don't know, I just prefer that a lot more. I'll start the review. I will start from the bottom and work my way up to the top. So let's start on the bottom. So looking at the bottom, you have your icy clear translucent sole. It's very nice. It hasn't really yellowed. It's held up over the years. And then you have your white traction pod along with your black carbon fiber plate and your blue Jumpman right there in the middle. I've always loved Retro 11 outsoles. Wearing translucent shoes or shoes with translucent soles has always been an issue for me because I'm one of those people that likes to keep their shoes clean. That's why a lot of my shoes haven't even been worn. So obviously if you wear a translucent soled shoe, it's gonna yellow. I love it on this pair. This is very clean. And I kind of want to see what these look like after they yellow with time, like naturally over the years. I think they'll look really dope. So moving up from the outsole, we just have your solid white midsole. I'm not really sure what the material I would say is. It's just like, I wouldn't say foam. It's not foam. It's just Retro 11 midsole material. I don't know, but it's kind of squishy a little bit. Doesn't really have that much give. These aren't really the best hooping shoes in my opinion. I have hooped in 7s and they don't really give you like a lot of bounce, so midsole might be why. Moving up a little bit more, we have your first and only hit of patent leather, that mud guard that just wraps all the way around the shoe, encapsulating the toe cap and even the heel right there, and it just is super nice. So there's actually differences in the types of patent leather that you get on certain Retro 11s. So bringing out my Bred 11s to give you guys an example. If we look at the toe of the Bred 11s, that looks just like a brand new polished hood of like a car or something like that. I could see my face in it. It's super reflective, super shiny. Now the material on this is also patent leather, but it's a lot more dull, and I would dare to say even matte compared to this. It's obviously still reflective, it's obviously still shiny, but they're just on different levels. It's not that I dislike it, I actually kind of do like it because the shoe is already pretty loud. It's all baby blue, so it kind of just reels it back in, so it's not like you're looking at it and you could see a reflection in the shoe. That's the material for the midsole. Pretty nice. I don't think it's really gonna scratch that much either. Then we'll go up to the upper. Now the upper is a very interesting material. I'm honestly having a very hard time pinning this down because it's not leather. It's not leather, but it's not like suede and it's not nubuck. It almost just feels like a foamy type of material. Like the outer layer is like some sort of like foamy like pad material, but it isn't. I have no idea what this is. If somebody knows in the comments, please let me know. I will say this does look like the type of material to pick up dirt. Granted, I couldn't even tell you what the type of material is called, but I've seen this on other shoes, I've seen this on other pieces of clothing and stuff like that, and it's just the type to just soak up dirt and sweat and everything like that. Whereas leather, it kind of just sits on the outside. This would actually like soak it up, if that makes sense. You're probably just gonna be wearing this shoe casually and very clean anyway, so it's not really that big of a concern. I like the material, so we'll keep going up. You have your white Jumpman right there with the white 23 on your heel tab, and I really like the inside design. So the inside design kind of spills out to the back, as you can see, and it's just like this zigzag like black patterning. It kind of reminds me of the carbon fiber on the bottom, but it just wraps in the whole inside, and I just think it looks dope. Looking at the front of the shoe, you just have your normal rope laces. They are also baby blue. It kind of would have been nice, I think, if they threw in maybe like some white laces, or I guess probably just white would only work with these. I was gonna say black, but I don't think black would work with these. But yeah, you only get the one pair of laces, and then you have your Retro 11 inserts, which are just these plastic shoe trees. So that's, I guess, kind of a step up for Jordan, but all Retro 11 highs have these. And then right there you have your Jordan logo as well on the middle of the shoe. Alright guys, so now that I've kind of given you like a very quick look over of this shoe, I am going to give you guys an on foot, and then lastly I'm going to wrap this video up. Alright guys, so if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment. Any little thing you do helps my channel as a whole. The links to my Twitter and my Instagram are down in the description. I will be trying to have more content coming out to you guys. I'm trying to pump out videos as fast as I can. It just takes time to film and edit in the hustle and bustle of daily life, but I'm sure you guys understand. So stay tuned, more videos on the way, and as always, thank you guys for watching.